All right, hello there. All right, hello there. All right, hello there, beauties. Your girl Euniycemari here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, hello. And don't hello. And I also ask that you guys take the moment out to subscribe if you're not subscribed. I promise it won't hurt. But today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to talk about some tips, or I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to start a YouTube channel. It can be any subject or any niche of channel. I'm not zoning in specifically on beauty channel. I can do another video about that if you guys want to know like some tips on how to start a beauty channel, but we're just going to talk about tips on how to start a channel. And I jotted down about 10 tips on how to start a channel. I think these are really straightforward, and anyone out there looking to start a channel, this is where you can start. Okay, so tip number one for starting a YouTube channel is to find what is your niche. What is your topic? What is your channel going to be about? Is it going to be about cooking? Is it going to be about beauty, hair, nails, video gaming, food, trying new foods? Is it going to be about the news, or, you know, hot topics of what is going on in the world? You know, so my thing is, first you got to find out what it is that you want to do, and therefore you can kind of build from there. If you get on YouTube aimlessly with like no knowing of what you want to do, you're going to be wasting your time, and you may not end up being consistent and all that stuff. So first zone in on what you want to do. Little backstory of me. What made me decide to start a YouTube channel is because I would watch other people's videos and I would say, oh, I have so much to say about that topic, and I have so much I want to give like my way of doing that, or I have a different technique for that. So that's another good way for you to look at somebody's video and go, oh, hey, and go, wait, they didn't touch that topic, jot it down, and then you go and you make your own video about it. So that's what kind of got me into doing YouTube videos and being able to you know, tell you guys or share my opinion about things in the beauty world and all that fun stuff. Okay, number two is write a list of topics about your niche. Now this is going to make it so much easier. So if you were to say, okay, we're going to use beauty as an example, should we use beauty or should we use another topic? It's the most closest thing to me, so we'll use beauty. Okay, so let's say you're gonna start a beauty channel, right? Let's say you're really good at makeup. Makeup is your thing. You know how to do makeup. It's where it's at. So you're gonna write down a list of topics. So a list of topics would be something like how to do wing liner, how to apply foundation, how to apply blush, how to do a full face using only one brand. And I'm saying those things too because those are topics in which you want to pick popular topics. Like, you want to pick topics that people are actually going to look for and search for. If you're doing topics that aren't really searchable or aren't really popular, then you may not get a lot of people looking. But on the other flip side of it is, sometimes when you do a popular topic, so much out there is saturated. So for example, like how to do wing liner. Everybody has a tutorial, including me, on how to do wing liner. And, you know, you can kind of fall into the, you know, the mixing bowl of all of that. But I usually say go and do a topic that is a little bit more, you know, popular, because people are searching for it, and that's what you want to get. You want to find something, you want to find a topic that people are searching for. Okay, so you really just want to write a list of things that you can do in your niche before you even sit down in front of the camera. So just take your niche. My niche is beauty, and from there just write down the list of topics, trends that you want to do. You know, trends could be something like what was it, the eyelashes in the nose, or I try to do my makeup like so and so. Like, that was a little bit of a trend that was going on. So just figuring out what's trending, writing a list of things and going from there. Here we go again, 4 4 4 4. I keep seeing it. I don't know. Keep seeing it. All right. So the next tip that I have here is number three. You don't need a fancy camera to start. Your phone will work just fine, or your webcam will work just fine. Now, I say this because in this lovely world of YouTube, we have this thing of everybody seeing other YouTubers' videos and how the effects look and how good the camera is. And I always tell people, even including myself, you guys, I started off on a webcam. My first channel started off on a webcam, okay? And there are even times on this channel that I just film with my phone. Like, I don't always go and grab my camera to film, and my camera also is not like a fancy, expensive camera. And also, if you ever look back at like your famous or your more up there YouTubers, for example, Dolce Candy 87, Samage, I used to watch them way back when they used to use a webcam, okay? Or they used to use a not so good camera. And so starting off, you don't have to feel the pressure of going and buying a very expensive camera to start. You know, a lot of iPhones, Androids have very great cameras on them. And you can also go to Best Buy and get a little digital point and shoot for like nothing. So you do not need to have, you know, the most expensive camera in order for you to start. You can just use your phone and you can start vlogging that way. You can just do a get ready with me in the morning time, set your phone up, press that record button. They have the app now on YouTube where you can record straight from your phone. So there's ways, and there's more easier ways for you now to get your footage out there. Because I remember before, we didn't have that on the app. They didn't have the record on the app or go live on the app. So now that they have that feature, it makes it a lot easier for people to go live and to put footage directly straight from your phone. All right. Tip number 4 is lighting and audio. It's very important that you make sure that your viewers are able to see you and hear you, okay? You don't want to be in the shadows talking about, hey, you guys. Like, there's a few of my videos too where the lighting could have been better, but my thing is you learn as you go as well. But just so that you know and you don't have to go through that, set up a window. Another thing, you don't need fancy lighting. You don't need that. Just set up a nice window. There's where you have a lot of light coming through. Sit in front of that. Set up your phone or your little camera or your webcam, and from there you can shoot a video. But you want to make sure that the viewers can see you and hear you, okay? So tip number 5 is there is no perfect time, just do it. So many people say, oh, well, I don't know when to start my channel. And it's just like, I feel like once you have your niche down and once you know what you want to do and you made your list of things, just do it. Just open up the camera and begin talking. That's how I did it. I just sat in front of my webcam and just share with you guys my opinions, how I felt. Like, I just did it. So my thing is, don't be afraid. Just do it. Just do it. Hop on the camera. Number 6 is put together an uploading schedule. So if you're serious about YouTube and going forward with this, it's very important that you become consistent, that you have a schedule. Are you going to upload once a week? Are you going to upload twice a week? Are you going to upload 3 times a week? What is your schedule going to look like? This is very important for your viewers because if they know when to come back or when to look for your content. If you're putting out one video every 3 months, it kind of makes you look like a side YouTuber, like, you know, like a side chick. A side YouTuber. Like, this is not something that you're really consistent with. Why should I subscribe if you're only going to put up 2 videos a year? So you want to make sure that you are being consistent with your uploading, okay? And put together an uploading schedule. That will make it a lot easier. And if you want to start once a week, at least people know to look out for you once a week, and so on. Number 7 is passion, okay? And I cannot push this one enough because a lot of the times I hear so many people say they want to start a YouTube channel so that they can make money. And it kind of makes me a little upset because personally for me, I do it out of passion. I don't do it for the money. I don't do it for, you know, overnight fame or overnight success, which are reasons you should not do it. You should have legitimate passion for doing YouTube and being creative, and that's going to trickle into other sections of YouTube as well, because if you don't have a passion for it, it's definitely going to be seen in your work and how you upload. So have a passion for what you do. If it's not your thing, it's not your thing. That's perfectly fine. But make sure you have a passion for YouTube, for what you're doing, for your niche. You have to have that drive, okay? And this is the reason why, number 8, you have to have this drive, because you have to be willing to put in the work. Now, YouTube is not just, oh, well, it can be for some. Well, they just sit in front of a camera, talk, upload. That's it. But it's a little bit more than that. YouTube, you have to edit the videos. You have to upload it to YouTube, put in all the tags, the descriptions, the link, engage with your viewers. It comes with more than just uploading it, okay? So, you know, if you don't have that passion behind it, you're not going to be able to edit it. You're not going to be able to upload it. You're not going to engage. You're not going to really care because you don't have a thing for it. You know what I mean? So make sure that you are willing to put in the work. Number 9 is consistency, and I cannot yell that enough. I'm not yelling, I know, but consistency is key, okay? Just like with anything else in life, if you want to see something grow, or if you want to see something grow, or if you want to see something be successful, you have to be consistent. Like I said, you can't upload one video every 6 months and expect people to come back. They're not going to come back. So you have to be consistent in your upload. You have to be consistent in how you engage with your viewers. Just consistency is key with anything in life, okay? And lastly, I said, have fun / be yourself. Have fun. That's one of the things about YouTube. I feel that has lost. I think a lot of people have lost the whole having fun moment because money has become involved. And now people just want to look like somebody else or act like somebody else. And no, I like what I do on here. I can come on here and I can do my makeup, and I can talk to you guys, and I can review products and give you guys my own honest opinion, and I can be me. I can just be myself. I'm not trying to be anybody else. I don't want to be anybody else. I'm goofy ass Eunice, take it or leave it. And that's how it should be. You should come on camera and just be yourself. If you're, you know, goofy like me, that's fine. If you're can't keep your eyes on the camera and you're always looking around like me, that's fine. Like, everybody on YouTube has a different personality, and the thing about it is that you want to bring your personality to your channel. You know, don't try to be a robot and be like the next YouTuber. No, be you, be who you are. And you don't have to worry about trying to keep that up. That's another thing. I mean, I always say this. If you were to meet me in person today, I am the same person you see here. Probably a little bit more goofier, but you're not going to get a whole new person. I am who I am. And if I was to ever meet a subscriber of mine, I would love for that person to be like, hey, or I would want for that person to be like, hey, you know, you're the same person you are in your channel. You know, there shouldn't be a big difference in person. So just be yourself, have fun, and just enjoy the world of YouTube, okay? Because it's all about coming onto your platform and sharing with everyone who you are and what you have to offer, okay? And so with that being said, you guys, that's all my tips for how to start a YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.